Alright, my apologies. This gonna have to be part 2 because somehow I bumped the camera and cut it off. But like I say, that drain plug is at the back right there, located directly. Follow the oil filter straight back, you'll see it right there. But that's a size 13 millimeter. But I'm gonna hold the camera, hopefully. Right there, y'all can see what I got going. Damn, that big tight, boy. Get pliers on that motherfucker. Come on out. Here we go. Got it broken loose. Yeah. Get my goddamn wrench out there, mug. Alright, darling. Woo, boy, you talking about some hot ass shit. Oh, have mercy, that shit hot. Never do this while it's hot, y'all. I'm telling you. I mean, it's good to get it a little warm. That's where the flow on that. But boy, look at here. This shit like getting hot grits on your ass. Yeah. Alright, there we go. You see that? Drain it on out of there. Tap that down. After that drain, after that drain and everything start dripping, I'm gonna come up here and take this loose. And then let it drain on. I gotta go tap this out of there. Or black, boy, every time. Okay. That's every time. I see what your problem is. This why he failed you right here, ain't it?
That too.
Huh?
It's hanging and the frame body on the side. The framework on the side.
The frame where?
Basically, this frame, he said right here, is different from that side. This is bent around this frame area.
Oh, he said that's being up right there?
Yeah, it wasn't a big deal to me. I really don't think.
Yeah, that ain't really no major, cause somebody could have jacked up right there, jacked the car right there and bent that, but I can understand this part. They should have never.
Yeah,
this might be why your goddamn AC and shit don't work, bro. It ain't the thing. The AC compressor ain't gonna be your problem, bro. You got a electrical issue. Cause see the wire going to it is right here, and it's been damaged. And look, the other end of it ain't even down plugged in, bro. This probably why your shit ain't working. No cap.
But then I do got them lights that are supposed to be connected. I think they can go to the lights though, right there. You know where them holes at?
This supposed to be mounted up. This shit going. This just sitting there, bro.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. I had to get a lock for it.
Alright, got my oil running out. Compressor, yeah. He fucked up some bolts and wires and everything, boy. And these wires running up by the CPI, so that shit don't go right there like that up under that motor.
Yeah, I don't know if you do all that.
Man, we going on. I'm gonna check something. Man, cause the AC might work. He told you the AC didn't work when you got it.
He didn't say nothing about the AC. He didn't even mention that part.
Yeah.
I just found out when I got in.
Alright, so we got that drain back there. We'll come over to the. I always see my little plug right there. Damn, I want to mess up my phone.
You got some others? I'll go grab them for you.
Yeah, I do. Damn. Let's see. See, I always leave that back plug out. Back there, see it's dripping now. You see it. That's how you know it's done, but I don't never put that plug back in before taking this loose. What you say right here? Alright. Sometimes you can grab that mug with your hand. But see, this one ain't gonna do that, but it's hot as hell, but. Where did I put that in? Oh, the beat plier. Is it oil filter plier? Oh, they red.
I think you just moved it on that.
Oh, I put them on this up.
It's right
For real? Alright. I always remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. So when you going to take it off, cause a lot of people that don't know, they'll tell they be right and they be skip out, but you gonna catch the devil. Ooh. But I always remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. That don't mean you gotta grab it with your left hand. I'm just doing it like this, but turning it, it's coming on off. I did this video for one of my partners. This way he want to learn this type stuff. See, another thing, you see what I did? Because see, it's hot as hell. I took it and moved out the way. And another thing, too, get the safety glasses because, see, it's coming down like that. It's going to be dripping and splashing and shit. And it's hot as hell, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, it's hot. So, like I say, you don't want it to get it scalding hot like that. Just get it goddamn, break that oil up. That's where it can damn flow on out. Cause you see, now I ain't got that drip at the back. I gotta run now. See what I'm saying? That's why I say leave the plug out to see more oil running out. Now it's not dripping no more. So I ain't standing there, little putter, but. And then, like I say, I always open up the new oil filter. I always get the STP brand because it comes with an air filter, man. They give you a good deal at AutoZone. Oil filter and doggone air filter. And let me see. This is the part number. Hold that box up. See that? That's your part number that you're gonna need. This is a 2011 2.0. This is the SES 2011 Ford Focus. All right. Let me put it. Yeah, how you do this one? All right. Now what you're gonna do is see how it's all dry right there around this rubber on the top of the oil seal right here. So what you do is you take some of the oil and you just rub it around it. See how it turn a darker black? That's how you know oil on it. You ain't gotta do too much. Just put enough around there like that right there. And basically what I just did is made it where it's gonna seal. You ain't gotta worry about no oil leakage. And as y'all see, I'm only hand tightening it. Now I know for some of us, you know, we are stronger than others, but basically what you do, you get it tight, and then you just go a quarter of a turn, and you know it good. See, I couldn't even turn it no more, but it's not super tight. He can come over there, and he can take it out with no problem, you know what I'm saying? But he got to use the rinse, because when you crank it up, it's going to seal tighter anyway. So, like I say, you ain't got to overdo it. Hand tighten that. Never put a wrench on that when you're going back with it. Never. Some guys might tell you, never do that. You have a bad day. Ooh, ooh. Alright. See, I still got my oil back there. It's not dripping yet. It's still running out. I'm going to let that run until it start to drip. Put my drain bolt back in it. Come up top, pour my oil in there. And then I have to do my little change the air filter out. Cause a lot of people overlook that. They do not change, see it's dripping there. They do not change their air filter though, man. Maybe I might be able to set a good example with this car. I don't know how well it was taken care of. It was bought from a used car lot. So we'll see. Has the air filter been changed, or is it the one that been in the car since, you know, factory bought? So we'll see. But I'll tighten that up. Grab my 13. Like I say, the same thing with the drain fluid. You got to overdo it. Run it down, get it tight, quarter turn, and you're done. That's good enough right there.
So I ain't gotta change out the oil filter or the air filter every time. Just let the
Well,
oil out whenever I do it.
no, nah. The air filter wise, you can, like, by you doing it this oil change, next oil change, you ain't gonna have to do that, cause it ain't gonna. Nah, I do it every 2 oil changes. Like, so next oil change you do, don't change the filter. But like I said, it come in the kit. Me personally, that's just how I am about my cars. I change them every time. If you bringing it to me to do it, whatever, I'm gonna change that bitch every time. That's just me, man. Cause you know that right there help your engine out a whole lot. But honestly, they say it run better when it's dirty. But I ain't saying it's like stupid dirty, but just a little dirty. It actually run a little better. Yep. But yeah, we gotta change this filter out. Got one clamp there, one clamp here. Let's see. I think that's all the clamps I see. Oh, and then shit wiggle on out of there. Actually, let me see. I think I'm gonna see they got a 8 down there. Oh no, that one pop on. It lean, it pulls out towards the clamp. It should just pop right up, but I think this is what's holding it. I'm gonna take that loose right quick.
I had to take it off before.
Oh, you did? But see, it's so tight right up in there. You gotta get it up high now.
It's crazy.
Yeah, cause they come back this way. Yeah, see that this right here was holding. Right here, hold this one right here. So you gotta go this way. There you go. Just like that right there. Actually, I'll pull this cable, give me a little bit more room. not. Right on up, no problem. Let's see here. See how dirty it is, y'all? This is what I be talking about. Now, it have been changed before. But actually, hold up. Yeah, it have been changed before. This is an aftermarket one. But you see, it's dirty. Oh. That's why I say I like to change it. Oh, they gave you the wrong one. Oh, what kind of filter they gave you? That's wrong. That filter was look just like this. But you got the thing though. All you gotta do, matter of fact. Like I say, man, look, I'm gonna pour my oil in here, y'all. That's self-explanatory right there. We done up under the car. All I gotta do is push this back down here. Like I say, get my funnel, pour my oil in there, and we got to run back to the parts store and get that filter right there. Cause somehow the part people gave us the wrong one. It never fails, but it be like that. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. This your boy Boss Man, and I'm out. That's on game.